Hi there, Velmoed here. In this video, I'm going to show you ListGoal, a nice tool that I just discovered today, and I thought I'm just immediately going to create a video for you to show you how this works and what it is. My company is called Ask Velmoed, and I support online course creators. I'm a tech virtual assistant, which means that you can hire me to help you select the right course platform, to link it all up with your email marketing and your payment system, and I help people with Facebook ads as well. Now in this video, list goal, I think this is really important because having a great email list is really a good start of your business. And it's something that you need to continue to grow so that you can share your value with people. So you can share, free videos like I'm doing for you here, but also other, inspirational or informative content that you have for your clients. And then later on, they would be more willing to buy from you. Now, having people on your email list is a good idea because you own those email addresses, right? It's less volatile in a way than, for example, having many likes on Facebook. You just have those email addresses, and if Facebook was ever to go away, you still have your email list, right? And ListGoal is going to help you to grow your list, and it will also help you identify if there are any issues around deliverability, for example. So if we scroll down on this page, which you can get to by going to listgoal.growthtools.com, as you can see here in the browser bar. If you scroll down, you see here's how it works. ListGoal monitors your email list for suspicious activity, alerts you when there is something to be concerned about, and helps you find new subscribers. So first of all, we need to connect ListGoal to an email service provider. Then it will alert us when something is wonky. So there's unsubscribers, there will be a daily subscriber count, so the people that actually subscribe to your email list. And if there's issues with deliverability, it will say that as well. And then it will also alert us to tips and small tweaks we can make to help us grow our email list faster. Now, for me, I'm going to connect this with ConvertKit because ConvertKit is my email provider, my email service program that I'm using, and I love it. And I actually have a free course on how to get started with it. So if you've been thinking about moving, for example, from MailChimp to ConvertKit for a while, it may be very helpful to at least get a free month trial. And if you sign up through my affiliate link in the comments below this video, you will be granted that month for free, and then you can just have a look, and I will then also send you access to my free course on how to get started with ConvertKit. So if you would use my link for that, I'd much appreciate it, and in return you will get this free course that I created on using ConvertKit. So normally the course is not free, but if you use my affiliate link, it is free for you. So let's get started with ListGoal. Here we need to submit our email address, and I'm gonna click grow your list. And as you can see here, get your free lifetime account. So it's free now and it will be free forever. So that's really nice. So here we can create our growth tools account. And here it says why create an account, lifetime free ListGoal account, unlimited subscribers, track daily email list monitoring, and monitor and track as many email lists as you want. So if you are with a provider that has multiple email lists, for example, MailChimp, you can use this as well. So I'm going to sign up here. I'm going to add my information, and I'm covering it in this video because this is obviously private information, but it's very self-explanatory. And then we click next. And then we get a 503 service temporarily unavailable. That's not very helpful. So I'm going to refresh the page, see if that does anything. There we go. So here it is, finish your account. How often do you message your list? So you can choose options here. What is your list size? You can choose options here. Want to talk with a coach about growing your business? You can select yes or no. And this is probably for them a sales opportunity, so just to be aware of that. And how did you hear about ListGoal? So there's options here as well. So I'm going to fill these out, and then I'm going to click finish, and I'll see you on the next page. So I chose the different options from the drop-down menus. And then I'm presented with this page, welcome to ListGoal, and a little celebratory thingy here at the top, which is nice. And then it says your email marketing is about to get much better. To get started, select your email service. So as I said, in my case, that's ConvertKit. But you can choose others from the list as well. Now, if you need to find the keys, here is a link that you can click that shows you where you can find the credentials that you need to add here. So I'm going to add mine and I'm going to click connect your email service, and I'll see you then on the next page again. So here is step 1 of 3. We're gonna create your new list goal. Name this goal and select your email service. For the name, I recommend using something like my newsletter or homepage opt-in, whatever you are tracking. So here for me, I'm gonna do launch your website in 7 days, which is a free course that I have on offer. And I would love for people to sign up to that one. So that's gonna be my goal for this one. Clicking next. Now here it says set up, select your list segment. So this is step 2 of 3, and it says select the segment of your list that you'd like to track. You can track all of your subscribers or just a specific group. So if you click on the drop down menu here, it will show a long list of your segments or tags, and it will depend on the email service provider that you use, what exactly it's going to show in here. For ConvertKit, it is a little bit confusing because ConvertKit uses the term segment differently than ListGoal does. Actually, the list that will show when you click on this little arrow will be your tags inside ConvertKit and not your segments. If you're confused about the difference between the two, please comment below the video and I'll help you out. I just created another tag called ListGoal in my ConvertKit just to use for this example here. So I selected that from the drop-down menu. And as you can see, it currently has 0 people on it because I'm just going to use that tag right now. So I'm going to click next. And then it says set your goal. So we're on step 3 of 3. Pick your target number of subscribers you want on this list. I've made a few suggestions based on your list size. So when you choose this one here, you can choose whether you want to grow your list by 100, 500, 1,000 or other. And for you, the numbers may be different if your list size is different from this one here. So I'm just going to go easy on myself. I'm going to say I want to grow it by 100. And I'm going to click finish. Now it shows me this pop-up here and it says install the dashboard. To complete your ListGoal account setup, install our Chrome extension. This lets you quickly see your email list health and real-time analytics in the new tab screen of your browser. So I'm going to click here to install the dashboard. And I'm going to click add extension. And it says ListGoal has been added to Chrome. So this little icon here of a gray envelope with some stripes to the side is the ListGoal Chrome application, or Chrome extension, I should say. And now it says good health for spam avoidance and retention. These here, IP, reputation, deliverability, and click rate are coming soon. And here it says launch your website in 7 days, which was the goal I set up. And I can simply add a new goal here if I want to. And it shows me 0 of 100. So my goal was 100, and today I managed 0 new subscribers. Well, hey, I just set this up, so that's no surprise here. And here at the top right is a settings gear icon. So that will get you to this overview page here with your email, list goals, integrations, install the extension, and you can sign out here as well. To complete your ListGoal account setup, install the dashboard. I think I already did that, so I'm not sure, but yeah, I already did that. So I'm just going to ignore that here and click on the little cross. So yeah, this is the basic setup. And this Chrome application here, we actually set to it, it's okay that if we open a new tab, it will open ListGoal. So if you had another tab here, like you had Google here or some other tool that you were using for your new tabs, this one is overriding that. So if you want to change that, you need to change the settings and make the other app that you previously had to override the new tab settings, make that one the one again that opens when you open a new tab. Now it's quite nice to see this when you open a new tab because it's like a constant reminder that you need to work on your list and work on the list growth and work on any issues if they show up. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below this video. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I just reached 150 subscribers today, so I'm very happy with that. But I can always welcome more people onto my YouTube channel, obviously. So feel free to click the subscribe button so you will be notified of new videos.